Hello, dear students. Let us to discuss the numerical problems on motion in a plane. The question is, take down the question. The ceiling of a long hall 25-meter high. The ceiling of a long hall 25-meter high means the height of the ceiling is 25 meter. Point. What is the maximum horizontal distance? What is the maximum horizontal distance that a ball thrown with a speed of 40 meter per second. 40 meter per second. Can go without hitting the ceiling. Can go without hitting the ceiling of the hall. Question mark. So this question is from model question paper. Okay. See, now let us draw the projectile motion. The object which is projected with some certain angle of projection and with a speed of 40 meter per second. But here the height is restricted to 25 meter. Height is restricted to 25 meter. So to get maximum range means you have to take the proper use of this height of the ceiling. So you have to adjust the angle of projection theta in such a way that height is nearly 25 to get more R. But not remember, see, R is maximum means it's not angle of projection is 45, remember. Because in some questions find the maximum range. Maximum range means theta is 45, at that time R is maximum we can say. But the angle of projection is not 45 because you have to adjust the angle of projection in such a way that the height must be less than 25 or nearly 25. Okay? Because the question is without hitting the ceiling of the hall. Without hitting the ceiling of the hall. Okay. Now, then the initial speed V0 is given as 40 meter per second. You have to calculate the R when height is 25 meter. When height is 25 meter, at that time the value of R. Okay, we know that the expression for the height of the projectile, if the angle of projection is theta with speed V0 as V0 square sin square theta divided by 2g. We don't know the angle of projection, so therefore we can write sin square theta as 2gh divided by V0 square. 2gh divided by V0 square. So we can write this sin square theta as 2 Z H upon V square 40 square. Okay, 2GH by V naught square. Okay, so now this sine square theta equal to, it is 50 into 9.8 divided by 40 into 40. So that is, see, 490 divided by 1600. Okay. So sine square theta equal to 49 divided by 160. Okay. So this implies sin theta as 7 divided by 4 root 10. Because square root of 49 is 7, we can write 160 as 16 into 10. So square root of 16 as 4 and root 10 as usual. So to calculate R means we have already known the expression for R as V naught square sin 2 theta. Okay. So sin 2 theta, if you are not having sine table, so we can use this value only, and sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta into cos theta. So therefore we know the trigonometric identities as sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus 49 divided by 160. 160 minus 49 divided by 160. So cos square theta equal to 160, it is nearly 50. 160 minus 50 is 110. Okay, but his less means 111. Okay, divided by 160. So this implies cos theta as square root of 111 divided by 4 root 10. 4 root 10. This one is the cos theta. Now range. The horizontal range, or simply the range, R equal to P naught square sin 2 theta divided by Z. V naught square sin 2 theta divided by Z. Okay. So now you have to substitute the values of P naught . Okay, but this R we can write as V naught square 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so now R equal to, so V naught square as 40 square 2 sin theta, see, sin theta as 7 divided by 4 root 10 and cos theta as 111 divided by 4 root 10 and divided by G means you can take 9.8. Okay. So now here R equal to 4, 4, this 4 get cancelled. So 10, 10 remains. Root 10 into root 10 means 10. 110 get cancelled, only 110 is remaining. So 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 7, 140. So simply it is 140 into square root of 111 divided by 9.8. Okay. Now by using calculator we can calculate this. Okay. How it is clear? 7 into 2, 14. 110 is remaining after cancelling this. So 140 root 111 divided by 9.8. Okay. So this we can calculate by using calculator. See, now this root of 111 as 10 square root of 111 as 10.53 into 140. It is 105. Okay. See, square root of 111 as 10.53, okay, into 140 as 1475. Finally, we got the numerator as 1475 divided by 9.8. Okay, divide this with 9.8. So you will get 150.5, or simply you can take 150 meter. So this one is the required answer. 150 meter. Okay. Note down it carefully. Is it clear? See, in this numerical, height is given indirectly. You have to calculate the range R. But the angle of projection theta is not given. And one more confusion thing in this one is, what is the maximum horizontal distance? Okay. So by using the given values, first you have to calculate theta. If theta is not possible, then simply you can calculate sin theta, and by using trigonometric identities we can find cos theta also, and sin 2 theta you can write it as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now by substituting the values of sin theta, cos theta, P naught and Z, we are getting the range. The range is 150 meter. Okay. So this is the question. Clear? Okay. Thank you.